You have some seconds in my brother and I'm afraid of you. Them youth, real brother and I'm using. All of the people who love the party have got me your most tree, below. I am being big up the one I use that channel. I'm not going to pick up the whole Texas city. Shenway, Spencer. Play the 6 song.
About you and you lose your cool. More time than just want to dry out so you can lose your life. Just kill them with success, my brother. free. Me don't like how you man make you woman them a dominate the bar. The woman them a dominate the bar. Me don't like that. Except me don't like that. Ladies are dominating the bar. Hey! She said, I remember one time, let's go that one. In the time of the damn, no one be a shut up and chop up. It's a man that came to rap up. Nobody did not have heart. One time, God, we could have put in the window. But they have it like a car, and people run down. Last one, I'm the show, and the no one is wrong. They have it as they are one down. Another day. Ladies, go! Move on! Move on! Oh, God! What the bass line? Right this up. Wanna know the system now, man? Get the control tower. Big up yourself there, man. Infinite system. I see Joanna. Move on, tell Joanna something now. Texas, you ready? Let me tell Joanna this. Make some fun for her. Ladies, come now. Ladies, come there. Right now, I'm big up on it. Early push. Early shift, I swear. But then let me tell you this again right now. Make it move up. Ladies, I can move up. But man, just wanna spit for cool. Power sound check. Ladies, come on! Right now. I've been telling you. Ladies! Right there, right there. And people will all pick up yourself and turn out tonight. Just take a call and tell a friend that the party is happening. Black and David done the great mass for some fusion. So people, if you're already visit the bar, remember to tell the crowd to manage to visit the bar. But if you visit the bar, you have a drink now right now. DJ Infinite Power, you have to sit down on for Black and David. Because the last and first time I played tonight. So Black and David, pick up yourself on that one. Spectrum, big up! Texas! Turn up again, come! Infinite. Right now. Ladies, come! Right now. I got this now. Jump around and sing. Easy daily dollar, you there? It's a boss. Hey, hey. Give me that day. 15 minutes to go on here, we go. I've been telling them right now. Right now. Hey, hey.
right now. Fusion party. Let me go. It's the carnival over. For the people up to the party of Fashion Fusion. Ready? Sing it there. Right now. Just right now, let me rock it. Everybody just rock and come in now, cause the party about for sure. The ladies step on the block. Right now, there. Right now, there. Everybody on the outside, you hear me? Influence it. Fashion Fusion edition. Move from top. Right now, there. Ladies, go. Right now, there. That's right. Every night, tell them, say, party loud. On the first shift, this. Big up the San Antonio people in our building. Anywhere rolling from, big up. I pause on, sir. From the gate man to side. Good morning, ladies. Love her, good morning, sweetheart. How are you doing, baby? How are you?
Yes, I am big up yourself, you know. Black and the young.
Them say no one will run fucking thing to start feeling all the time up and over with. Motherfucking niggas must be haunted.
It's still early. Black and the young, big up yourself, yo. So you're extra. We're not rushing, remember me and vibes. Back to the yard. Big up my brother earlier from early. I support my brother Black and the young on the merch strong. Easy about easy, now I represent the big song. When one big up vibes and nice up the party, we have to rush it. So what you big up yourself, you're frost. Let me tell you now, so you see as long as reggae music are playing in Texas, we don't care go around big sound. Mike is too big up yourself, General.
Yeah. This album was designed to make you feel good. For those of you who want to feel good, think about the song. Now I know everybody's familiar with the stepping game. Yeah, put the love man out. But y'all know how you want to do the reason. So the steppers game we played then is the same game we gonna play right now. Are y'all ready? Come on. 1, 3, 4.
To the next song line up. You know what I mean? You know, I'm young and cool person for the rest of the night. Trust me.
Shot callers, brawlers, we'll be dipping in the bins with the spoilers. On the low from the drink and the tourists, trying to get my hands on some gas like Taurus. Yeah, living the raw deal. Cross meal, spaghetti, fettuccine, and bill, but still, everything's real in the field. And what you can't have now, you get real. Now, trying to hurry,
My life, it is stay, will never leave.
Ladies over 30, ladies over 30 and still look damn good, big up yourself. Big up to the cancer people and the also people who celebrate their birthday this month. Big up to all my wife material them at the party. Big up to my side chick them I love when I see them where. You see? Well, you know, we reach the early part of the party, see me when we don't see the party, I go to the sunlight, so we're not going to rush it. So big up to all of the gangs and the video, big up the girl is spread the video, big up the scankers the video, but you know, so now for my weird little bit now. So ladies, walk party with the ladies them little bit. Now I'm going to quick 30 minutes and they will move out of the way in the bar and don't shoot up in their wicked. You understand? So big up to my ladies and we'll feel yourself tonight. The ladies that will know you're looking damn good tonight. Have a part with it right now. Flawless movement there from Florida. We are checking. Represent on a different style. Now, ladies, come on. Be a slide, 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 be a slide. See that, see that, see that, see that. All right, go. and you're proud. But my parents are going to be up to the girls who don't see and live your best life right now. Alright, to some real. Somebody come on, somebody. Whatever. He's a applauding. Yeah, what's some fusion? Come on up in your spirit.
There's so many things that happen down.
He's on.
But I know
Ladies.
I know they got ready to go.
Ladies spending their own money right now. Let me see you. All guys who present now. Ready? That's it. The ladies have no bad boy can't stop you. Sing over here. Sing, sing, sing. We got to the ladies that don't say you're real friend of Passion Fusion tonight. The girls that know you and your friend look good in a Passion Fusion. Represent now. Represent. Represent. Go. Easy, darling. Real life party this. Ready or no? The girls that will feel themselves tonight. Now, let me see you. Ready or no? Big up to our white material and party. Everything all right. Big up to our brothers from our era time. Sexy ladies, walk up. Birthday party, here we go. Ladies. Ladies are real cute, watch out. Ladies are real. With somebody. Big up all the co-workers in the building. I'll be one selector up on the bill tonight. Ladies. Some ladies have some nice outfit tonight, but I'm ready for the sweat up here. Let's want to the party. What I'm saying? See the party now. What up? Easy talk to me. The girls have been on the bread pot now, boy. Ready up. Hang on. Big up to the girls who don't say, "But boy, I don't like you." You don't say you like yourself. Big up to all the mothers inside the house. Big up to my ladies who don't say you have your kids. You bring your cute kids. Ladies, represent your kids if you don't say you still look good. Any stress in a boy that you have a stress, boy. Ease out. Get comfortable. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Box it. We don't reach a skinny bag them yet. Yeah, yeah. Party still alone. Or still have that money. All good ass girl, let me hear you. Watch out. On the pump field. Talk your mind, talk your mind. See them. Let's go. Box it. For the girls I'm seeing with. Get them on. Get down. Ladies, come on. What I'm saying? That's what I'm Everybody be a house goes down. Now this, the money come around. You done saw this. Watch out. Big up to all crews in that party. Everybody who can defend yourself, shoot up the gun on them. I don't know say if your friend are fight, you have a fight with your friend. Shoot up the gun on them. Shoot them up. Shoot them up. Shoot them up. Yeah, yeah, think. No. Listen, I know a party from long time. Give me some house schools gang here, some house schools gang. See that now. See that now. Let go. Let go. Hold on. Up in the shade. Big up to all agents at the party. Big up to the ladies over there 9 to 5. Right now. Just like party last year, and I'm like that song. I think I'm gonna fight with it. I do a party from youngster. Come here. Yes, sir. I said, big up to the girls who don't say I'm a man where you're miss right now. But there is an next man to your current man. Represent for yourself. Come on. Come on, shoulder. So when you're ladies. Ready up. Big up to the ladies who don't say look, damn good tonight. Don't it? See ya. We be together. Big up yourself, man. Hear me? It won't be long. It won't be long. Come on, brother. And ladies, I'm gonna be somebody. See me here. Because I'm sin. Brother, sing it. What's the name? Hold on. start party. Lit squad. Dallas. Big myself. Understand. Arizona family. But there, same Indian, everything good. Everything alright. Big the whole crew stand. You understand? That's what I'm about. Black and Dave thing massive. We now rush the party. Only pass liquor there. But it's right now. General there. You understand? Flawless there. African there. I know somebody right. I'm a crazy. See, big up Laverne. Laverne. Big up yourself, Laverne. That big up man Laverne. Full of energy. Holy pop energy. See? Black and Dave. Where are some general?
Good morning to the people in the building. I want to say, I'm open to you for the turnout. See? Bring up the one that good at the house, you know. They don't know what to think of. Bring up the one that does checking full on you. See? I represent San Antonio. I represent full on you. Big up the Arizona family that place. I represent full on you. And Miami people that I represent. Big up to all of the New Yorkers that I represent. But first of all, you have to big up the Houston people them. Now I represent Black and Yes every year. We know the Chico. So big up the one of Cali, Texas in the building. Now you don't know. But I know, even when I say too much, you know, I'm a snake up ready to roll, you know. And if you find a bed ski, please bring it to the DJ board. And that's Bobby key, not your key. A bed ski, it's Bobby key. Good enough? Respect. All right. I want one more thing before I start the building. Reference to all Texas majority in the building. Big up to everybody who share the flyer. Request everybody who start to work a video and send it to me. And I will say about Soji, you know the thing go. Know why you go, you know what I mean? You don't know the thing go. Share down the please come. African. We guys say first.
Big up Biggs. I don't know eggs and party coming in October. Just like that. Big up my friend Biggs. See? Follow the body. No respect for the body. I don't know black and white coming up. You know what you are ready. See? So, next week. Don't forget next week. See? You don't know showtime. Yeah, the thing called Pop Style. And one party that them I'm telling you. Go see Super Bowl family. Enough respect. Sunday, December 11. Yes, sir. God bless promotion and crazy things, see? So, right now, I'm being my brother all the way from Florida. Representing King Addies. I'm a generalist. I will go to school together from junior high school years. Now, straight up. Say, so say.
Look what you they are jealous. We never feel they are rod. Look what you they are graveyard. Never feel they are rod. That's why King Addies, give down, yeah. King Addies, give down, yeah. King Addies, give down, yeah. Damn it, this dance, yeah. All the glory, the dance to King Addies, oh yeah.
So check one. Line it up over here, so ready? All I know is God is holy, and then so one and only. Look at me, big up yourself. You have to play about that song there again. I'm out to now. Right before the start. Hold on now. Play it again. Yes, some people walking in fear because they don't know God. Big up all God-fearing people and the people don't see your God bless. Hold on. Don't move it. Go. Remember, it's all about Jamaica Independence Weekend, the Jam Jam Weekend. August the 6th to the 8th. Holy party.
I know that is only to take your life is the one I know.
I should have said a song of playing at the party.
Some cry, some smile, some fight every day. We rise to the top, cause we know what
Love all the selector them and juggle.
we survive. Yes, they
First in 8 years, I come here and I play shows and them somebody. I mean,
God and change.
love all that deal with the place. Ready?
No matter how the dollar might stack up, me still not change. We have a still rough. Inna the giddy and you have to buckle up your legs. Be smart, don't be a bluff now.
Ready?
It's a long race, mama said some device and don't bring disgrace. Pick up the broom and start sweeping.
Show me now you're coming.
These ways I got to get grace. Love to the people, love me embrace. The truth and I can't erase. So head for all of those.
Not everybody feel like they can't church when you live with that.
So we can give it love now. We call it love.
That's all we need. They say you're egotistic by your self-confidence. All you believe in yourself. When you push them and shot. Chocolate party. Big man spoilers, me see you. That's some time, you know.
Remember when we run the last joke and have the dance song?
Sure.
You know me grew up, you know me hard song.
Yeah.
Smoke and we a blast.
Wow.
Never know said a bad.
Yo, mix.
The blast song. Do me best dog, me have to keep me dance song. Hear some man and talk up and some a dance song. Me late night before that pass.
Let's wanna know the damage already now.
Just like a white switch. I think I did split for the life. Wish I could have seen how I like a side.
All I wanna represent for somebody with jump out and God.
Straight for the heart, they put the ice break. Tell me put it down like a light stick. I wish I could have signed it.
Ready. Yo.
Never. I miss you so much.
Fred Bosco, pull up.
Ready now.
Why you never when you jump out and we know?
Remember when we run the last joke and have the last laugh. Even though we grew up, you know we hard sound. In the party vibe when we have smoke and we have flash.
All over you jump from the passion
The
God.
blast sound. Do me best dog, me have to keep the dance sound. Hear something and that.
Joking no reach no weight, you know.
Say it up late night before that.
Black and day can't ramp with my time.
Act like I'm last. Do me hard talk, just like a light switch.
Brother,
I think I can myself and like it. Wish we could have seen from a
Soldier Vibes, King of Days.
virgin in a
Blood clot to them.
Straight by your heart, they put the ice break. Put it down like a light stick. I wish I could have something done.
Go on, team, big up yourself. Ready? From rocks to blood clot riches. When you see get to you, I do them thing, don't bad mind them. Why?
Well, I know, thank your father for shining the light us. When me I come from the time it was nice. I know me not rich and I'm a vehicle, I drive me give thanks for the future and
Whenever you show up. When they pussy them, they don't. Look where we know. Look where we know.
Say I'm a sweat, that ain't no step, still in the rough step. Let me try a little thing for some success. I do the road, go be down long, never move on. But I'm back to my soul.
Every hustler really a sucker. Show us something that tonight. Make the party go. Everybody say it. Big up all who know you want to wanna close to that. Free now. Everybody. All of me before you come and free up. Watch it, party. Come on from the stage. Come on from the stage. I know why you come to teeth my spotlight. You know what I'm saying? Oi! Lover, you stop wear panty. Oh, Jesus. Let's go from there and speak up on the stage. I don't be before you come and free up. Free up. Clean up. Big up the real garrison at the party, man, and the see you. Go. You can't say you're careless if you have to bring a next man name to a woman. Some on the board that trap too much to man. On the love pillow talk with the blood clot girl them. I wanna make on a girl know we are got on the know. When the real girl is coming at the party they know. Fashion fusion. Follow me like Peter, then follow me like Jesus. I really can't live on my door. I beat back beds and a Toyota. Richie, big up yourself, G. I wish all that family. I never realized this, but she blows up. My woman, come closer. Ready? Go! You take a body wash, you will take a dildo. Big up the man, never know, so no girl can't play with you. When the real girl is in there. Let me tell you how the thing go. The girl can't hold you in a dildo. In a dildo, I'm gonna take you. And I'm gonna make me like the video. Can't make a love life. No boy now for like me. No boy for like me. No boy for like me. I'm broke your body, let me just be a fine thing. After
off it, put up, big up, boy. Ready? You give me no off it, put up, big up, boy.
Yeah, some people don't watch your money. What am I watching for? What am I watching for? What am I watching for? I want to reach it.
You give me no off it. I woke up feeling like I was on the phone.
Lord, clock to them. Love the girl in the city. I would have money. Better yourself, you have some pussy against you. When you see them against you, just tell them this.
Hold me back. These niggas gon' 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 hold me back. These hoes gon' hold me back. These hoes gon' hold me back.
I don't know you make your money when you pussy them on top of.
Hold me back. Look at my face. My shit looking sick. I got up to get it. Some shit on the shelf.
You know, they might hype up themselves and I go out with a bag of something on JP. They might hype up themselves for about $500. You believe that? $500 someone hype up themselves for, but they tell them this.
This shit sound crazy.
When you check my shoes, I can tell you, come down give about $500. You just feel it. Yo!
Down now, put shoes on your nose.
From the other day. Think about
I think I'm getting me. Larry Hoover. Put the work. Hallelujah. One nation. Underdog. Ready. Real niggas getting money from the fucking start. I think I'm getting me. Larry Hoover. Getting work. Hallelujah. One nation. Underdog. Real niggas getting money from the fucking start. I hope the money is in. That's why I'm going to talk. Baby, I to the party. I hit the boy up and then I come skating around.
now when the guys are so important. Buckler lover, where you find that dress there? Big man spoilers, don't play yet enough. Jersey. All right, let me do your next song now. What's the first to like or something? I hear that thing.
Ready? boss right. Every time we get right. I'm not sure they don't smoke. She like it when we first on time.
Watch it! It's all that snabble of the party. Watch it in there. I got that song, the big up.
He never took that step. He took his feet up, pull up and pop out his shit. Hey, step. I'm gonna be on that.
We're not fighting for them, bro. I can't tell you what it is. Can't tell you what.
She like the way I dance, she like the way I move, she like the way I rock, she like the way I move, she let it clap on it. Ready? She throw it back on it. Like a Mary. Then they say like King. Christian Dior to York. Open all the stores. When you raise the doors, she like the way I like a Mary.
What's the girl?
Christian Dior to York.
Take him, baby.
All I'm going in there. You want to hear two bounty killer and then stuff and them something in there. Now, all right, tonight to the whole team.
I don't know about the VR, but we'll take him.
Big up the girl over there inside of the party. I want to play some song for her now. Play some song for the girl and the girl will enjoy themselves. Everything all right. But don't say you want to hear two bounty killer and then something. What do you say? Mike Spectrum, big up yourself. Everything is all right. Get the girls to my party.
You're the best brother ever.
Get the girls to my party. I'm gonna just block kiss off on me. How you doing? Tonight? I like them kind of treatment. They don't feel no way. Go! Party the girls from the coming man. I want them. Sure. Big up the girl from see a man and the brains, yo. Be a day. Ready? Go! Party are nice. Ready? Ready? What a good pussy girl in there. Party the girls from the coming man. Say my God, hold on. All I got to see a man here, say bend over now, baby, bend over. Watch it, do this. Watch it, say. Get the girls to my party. can't stress out your man, baby. Ladies, ready to go. Ready? Ladies, come on. What you gonna see of your money? Sure. What you gonna see your life happening? Let the girls have a party. No song, no play. Go! Watch it, watch it. Stop there, talk your mind. No, that party. No, that for my own trouble. I will see all that take off. I don't mind to see the free and everything. You walk up and walk up. When you get a notion of next year, no matter now you. Talk it up. People want to have so much money in your account. You're single? You're single? But that's not asking you're single. You're very much single. I have that much money. Me and you tonight. Me and you tonight. We know who we ever look. Woman is showing you $1 million in your account. I swear. Ready? When you get about see all your money, where you gonna listen? Where you all right, so don't have your own money. All of the girls ever know you have your own house. Where you gonna listen? Now, there, look. When the girl ever know say no boy can't put you out and tell yourself to go live in a hotel and go sleep in a hotel. No, the girl when they come here earlier, she have way more than that. Way more. But now I don't talk. Because the girl ever know say no boy can't put you out of the house because you own the house. Now I'm a rich woman friend. Maybe a champagne now. Maybe a champagne now. No, maybe a champagne. Ready? Ladies, every day you know answer there. And then bring the sound. Say no, so them can't handle it. Get my friend and my girl. Go!
pussy too good. Better you fuck somebody.
Ready?
Call me.
No time to show. No sometime. Going nothing here, come out of the house. Me don't know what someone wanna say, but this is the real girl song. Ready? Go! Sound us about right. Ladies, my name is Soldier Boys. I play King of these songs. Like how we introduce ourselves. Like how we introduce ourselves. Over time, Skip. Over time. Ross, come on, Bobby C. I'm a friend.
You have some stickers in my brother, I'm afraid of you. Them future, real brother and music. All of the people who love what the party have on me, your most dream, dog. I am being big up the one I use and turn up. I'm at the big up the whole Texas city. Shigway, Spencer.
Play the 6 song. Final song, ladies. All of big up yourself. Where's paparazzi? Big up. Right there. Richie, big up yourself, Richie. 6 songs, take for myself. Black and Dave. Don't make them say things about you and you lose your cool. More time them just want to dry out so you can lose your life. Just kill them with success, my brother, and make more money. You see that song, yeah? You see that song, yeah? Ready, go! Now let them train with energy. Fidel, tell them. Omar Arthur. so. You know, I want to make money off a gold teeth, and I know if I play back the same song the same way, in now go in that pocket. So you're all me go play it now, and I will hear you play it. What do you mean, sir?
See them a high from the other day. No one go pick up the style, them a full of yeah. Take a year off and live in the aircraft. From Mr. Breeze, everybody full of beer sauce. Did the drink motion? We don't know what with them is. What we got your legs? Who don't know what beer off? Chop on the street, chop on the city. Black on the beat, that's when I mean. You look, chop your rocky, lock your beat. Action your speak, fat shot, that's what I mean. Who said them up the axe on the street? Last week it now last another way. Advice, not your mouth when it gonna be.
Right now, I have to take time out to say, big up the whole of the Jamaica that are building. Say, I used to party here, you couldn't be away without the Cubans family. So, big up the Cubans family at the house. Love is from a friend of life. You understand? Big up the general. Rat spoilers, you don't know. You see, when you talk about go hard, you have a big up a youth. We're motivated if you go hard. It's a super bones and greater than that in real life. Super Bowls, big up yourself, the general. Say, happy birthday Jamaica, happy birthday Shana, happy birthday, who is Malibu? I am half joking. Happy birthday Marlon. Say, we don't have to like a check a smoker. Big up Key Face, happy Earth Strong. Say, you know what you go. So big up everybody who is celebrating their birthday tonight. I'm going to big up Nicky Breeze. All the way from out of Dallas, celebrate our Earth Strong tonight. Lord, I think myself in the building. See, I remember now, I think called Money Talk. You understand that when Money Talk go down from August 13 to the 15th is all about Leo Affairs. See, you know what you go. So you don't know me now, what you go.
See that? Brother, stop it. Look how you big up yourself on your strong. this song. I see ya.
It's been so
Well, I'm free. Ladies. Cross there. Lawless in the building. Soldier boys to the ladies here. Why everybody's in the party, y'all? Flavor the party a little bit. Every kind of music I'm gonna play that tonight. What you get? What's a queen then? Sure. Ladies, yourself up. We only got about high self-esteem, self-confidence. What you girls say? Now watch your hot girl, yeah. Yeah. Sure. Now, baby, excuse me. You have a man? You don't have a man? So I can play this song for you? I'll play it for you.
Tonight, you know what you do, baby. It's an equity from one another. I see no one if I can so good.
Yeah.
Speak can on your heart.
Hey, my rich friend.
Be right, just come from me. Maybe I know this text. I didn't say I might be so wrong. Into your now. Bring it to the old now. Bring it to the old now. Stop everything I do, but take a show. Bring it to the old.
Everybody find a Mercedes key, bring it to the DJ booth.
Bring it to the old now.
Ladies, I'm gonna ask you that question now.
Say all you want, say all you can, say all you can first. You want dance, give me a dance. Wanna worry about telling, session, you keep taking action.
Ready?
Whenever I feel like
Last girl got party, let's feel It's like I'm gonna promise Richie something.
Baby, baby. Sit down with us, bend down with us.
No, you're a super class, right?
I've been waiting.
You're the Brooklyn ladies, yeah.
Nobody nothing knows that you come on.
I'm the bread over here. Ladies,
Check out the dress. Nobody nothing knows what you do.
select them.
Nobody nothing knows that you want to do.
Oh, baby, give me a little exclusive wine now. Give me something I never seen before. All right, me a look.
Every time you come in, I'm talking on my feet.
Yeah.
I just tell me say I speak.
Hold on, little lower.
I'm looking at you.
Little lower.
Baby girl, let me know.
All right.
And I like step to the teacher go.
Any other fuck, you know what you're gonna say to me?
No one knows what to do. She said, she told me home. We can't go.
Let me go.
I want me to wind up body.
What you gonna do say? You and your friend them are out there a long time. Big up your friend, Panasanya. Big up your friend. Big up your friend. Go. What did I do, say that?
I'm a big deal. You're my friend, I'm a big deal.
Hey, them.
Yeah, we're gonna important. For you. I'm a big deal. All my friends are some big deals. Very, very, very important.
Love her, look on.
This has nothing to do with money or fame.
Love her.
This one's all about
Love her. You want some man? You want some man? What you mean? Love her. Now that the people are watching you, I'm gonna take the man. Love her. When they watch her, let us sing up. All this not gonna believe. What about them from Brooklyn? They what's up? Well, I'll tell you the song in my own. Yo, que ya saben que hay una bombo club. Se pierde el party. Ready, the Brooklyn for that one, boy. Ready? Watch what we love every girl of our born. Corona Donor.
Hey,
What you tell pussy girl them now? What you tell them when you party with your real blood clot friend them now? Who not straight up? Who not straight up? Who not straight up?
All the pussy there. Who's fucking real? Ain't that cheap and y'all can't wait. No way. They want the blood clot back.
Who are them?
But the greatest king.
Frost, I know say me a killer. In a real life, how these big up yourself?
Look at that.
Think of all you know say you have to hustle and take care of your family. You don't go so bang, bang, bang. When you real blood clot hustle again, then you start. Let's say Frost, one more time. Cheers.
If I want to be a friend,
What you mean?
don't believe in a friend.
Let me show you. She give me a money forward, no money pull up. The time of the morning and the money forward. All the real blood clot hustlers, them one again. How you mean? Big gun pass and fast.
All I put more on the whole of St. James.
What me hustlers them there?
Them I believe in God will live forever.
You photo, where there?
Salisbury, we not going out.
Sure.
I'll get for you.
What the phone? How you mean?
Stay for the never know. Make my
What the cup in there?
big cheddar. Only make a
Let me show.
every treasure. The key to comedy letter.
Yo.
Cheddar. Only make a
Listen, big up the girl that can't defend yourself. Big up the girl that can't defend your blood clot friend. Me tell you about it, tell you the first game of Batman, me a bad selector. But if you ever blood clot this man, let me tell you something first. Oi! What the guy say there? You stand up! Let's go to the day. How you mean? Fake and shit up. See you now. Let me see. Blood clot, money pull up. How you mean? If anything in Jersey, when they have a big long time. A long time when I party the boys, you know? Yo!
no boy can go round me.
What the gang say them they know?
One more guy is quick to make some way when my heart and drop your flop. I'm not stop playing fool dog, me no matter how you are.
How you mean? Yo, Frost, I got a thing going on.
Say them one place are
How you mean? Some of them boy in real life. What? How you mean? Frost, I got a thing going on. I love him, you. Black and you, big up yourself, you know. How you mean?
Them summertime shop. Bring up in that
Start dancing at the party. Start dancing at the party. Bad people in Texas.
Man, them want dance and can't dance.
Free up money for them.
Yeah, I didn't know.
I'm free up in a little bit. Hold on.
Dancers. Stand up.
When the cartel people in the know, anybody see us a cartel in there? Go watch out. This one from that team. Jump around the flag and so on. We don't be on the second round. It's not a shot. We tell you what the way it is. You will have to stay. That's the Lord of the night. See, you know, it's not something we have to listen. Everybody just walk up, fuck. Stop now. Stop. Don't see no these like the wind. So, you see, if you want to find me, stop. Don't you know? Stop to the 21st century. Flash you up your third. If you don't see me, don't see the fuck. We like the way for the party now.
If you're broke pocket, don't give me no 401. Everybody was spend their own money, boss and black crowd now. If you still smell good, the boss and fuse them up. Stand up. Make him up. Rub your mouth. Yes, speaking of beer, when you see bad man, people want to know. So we press yes. Now we got Lord up on this, yes. We get out there, don't worry. Don't know, say we are the dancing worry. We are the dancing, if you didn't know, so one time, every second, every show. We dance good, take it in now, worry. Was a dancing, look at them up in it. Man dancing, still like worry. Man, let's get some champion. We love people. Yeah, some man threw them dead and threw them top of them face. And them are the biggest pussy in the crew. Some bad people in Texas represent now. See this song that don't break the people down the line. See this song that when the people that with them bank account are negative down the line.
you got it. One thing with real Jamaican, anywhere in the world go with a like Batty boy. Look for people say, why Jamaicans here Batty man boss? So we say, yo. That party there. The little people in the black and their party represent now.
You know, so one car China. Spiders, we see you. Flats and we see you. Then get the family over there, so. Look at you, where there? Come up here, man, where there? Hold on, sister. You're a real general boy. Father care, we got yourself too. You do it again. You travel all over the blood club world. Play music. Real G. You support everybody. So you know, say anywhere you're there, we have to follow you. You're real, you. You understand? Buba Plaza. Big up yourself anywhere you're there, brother. I know you're there tonight. But that's how we think of. Chopper. Real you. John, Jungle John. Real general. You know, say China. Sheena. You. And the queen I use her. Love her. You have to say her welcome. I know you kill me, you know. Yeah, no. Jungle John, like team boy, man. Cider. That's how we're in the boat. Real family in my flavor. Attach, man. July 24th, you know, San Antonio with it. You know, San Monty. Good on my beer, I see where I go. I love me up in family, you know.
I must say, I'm telling you this, yeah? Yeah. Let me say one plus one. I'm going to tell you. So, ladies, you know the thing, but I'm not following up over that song. It's a nice episode. But here the song will never play now. Forward from Florida, Miami. Don't know if them song will reach yet, but I must send them over here. Because the people who know say you can defend yourself, you defend yourself, you defend your family, you defend your crew. Big up to the ladies who know say a real bad girl on the streets. Big up the girls who know say no girl never talk to your mouth and you don't defend that. Big up the girls who know say my girl disrespect her kids, you know say a word. Big up the man who know say my blood boy disrespect her friend and you know say no, I'm not soft. Listen to Sonia.
General. Born in Houston, Texas. Big up the wall of Dallas, Linky, them in the building. San Antonio in the building, Colleen in the building. Houston, I represent to the fullest. All the people in the house right now, when you say you have ambition, bust tree blank. If you know say nothing can stop your life but yourself, bust tree blank, lucky.
You know, sister, when you pray, you like the one shine, yeah.
The selector drop the gun. Say, give me the song what we ask for. Yes, I want. Fuck it up, Lord.
So fucking bad.
When you say ambition, let me see you do that in my lights and the four lights, you know. But the fuck up the man, what the people never believe in themselves then? Let me see you start me on the from side to side.
Still I got the world, this young fuck. fucking mother piece of shit. Let the youth to have a dream. That's why I work the money so good.
What they do, they must say ambition there. Who don't want evil? On the pull up, pull up. Fracture.
So fucking bad, I'm a pro.
What they do, they must say ambition. Now you can't step in life out yourself. Make up the devil them in the building, the young generation. New money. Swat your vibes.
We still have
Make some bigs.
fucking mother piece of
How we
shit.
go?
Let the youth to have a dream.
What they do, they make a dream.
Money so good.
Awesome house.
Let nobody tell you nothing. Tell them about them mother, them no one.
See the back part of the song, I know.
Don't know for the years,
Right up.
just leave the youth for nobody else.
Everybody can't stop you. What the fuck you say in here, no? Pull up. Bad mind can't stop you. Pull up.
Fucking bad, I'm a pro, mate. So silent.
Bad
Young today, still
I'm gonna have a quick 10 minutes and take for myself. But now I'm gonna do the thing, don't you?
anyway. Set me proud on you.
What do you do? I believe in themselves there.
Never mind believe.
What do you do? Is a good over evil. What did God bless people them there?
Fucking mother piece of shit. Let the youth to have a dream. That's why I work the money so good. I'm not making nobody tell you nothing. Tell them about them mother, them no one. So fucking
Hold on now. We have 100 doors at you. If you find a Benz car key right now. Can I give you a month to find it? Wait there. Don't work the key. A Benz car key, we have give you 100 US. Back to the youth with some ambition. We have the $100 right here, sir. I'll wait for you.
so fucking
Remember tomorrow, you know. It's not about Reason Sunday. It's a Buzz Event Center. Remember, ladies, come step out tonight. You're so back here. Hold on now.
proud on you is.
Shit, I give myself, you know.
Never mind believe. I'm
Bring up the whole flavor family.
still not gonna do this year from
It's your blood clot monitor. Can't keep forward. Urgent.
Rush the sun there. Range Rover, rush the sun there.
Sunday. Excess global, so
Hey, the man says that the beds is a rage key fight, so let's not work with the beds. But Skyjump, I tell you.
Chicken back, bring back $100. Bring back $100 chicken back. No, bring it back, man. Don't give a nice and sexy girl that $100. You're rich.
All right, ready again. Who are we gonna say?
so fucking bad, I'm a proud of it.
True back families.
Tell me young
Spoilers. Back up and bad. You find the best skill? All right, mommy, come here. See them dollars. Well, I'm going to take a party with $100 US. I'm afraid we are trying the best. Push buttons up. We have the key here, sir. And by your bed scheme, you're going to pay them back to get back your key. So here we go. You give me $100, I take my key. We need $200 for you to get back your key. Because you know. What I know?
Be proud on you is.
You know.
Never mind believe. Matter when nobody wants it. You still not gonna be this young fucking mother piece of shit.
Get to you.
Let the youth to have a dream.
Swoop your passion.
The money so clean.
Make me bad up the body.
They tell you nothing, tell them about them mother, them no one.
Everybody right now. Start sing that song out with me. Here we go.
Keep your
Get to you.
feet from big like we don't regret.
Sing that junkie. Fucking one of them on it. 10 minutes now, one off you. Junkie, start show.
One time, long time, when we never have no on the two sides, they get what you only need. No, thank you, I'm
Give this some money for them. Drop top. Rock from the body.
let me get to you.
Black and the junkie.
Strategy. Go ahead.
Voice man staying.
One time, when we never have no
Meet the spiders.
on the two sides,
Dollar bill.
you only need to go down. No, thank you, when we don't take it more, it's no effect.
Never dead. Rock from the body.
Let me get to you. Then we can start the dream.
Oh, we go. From nothing to something.
Long time, when we never have nothing. On the two
Mr. Nine, the world flavor family. I want to say thank you for the hard work. August 20th, Michigan $100. Pull up, remember Dallas security. Go! How much time you please?
Then we can start the dream.
Ready again!
One time gone, long time gone, when we never have nothing.
You know,
On the two sides of it, they care for you what you only give can go down. No, thank you.
bring up the man who knows you're not girl cloud. Remember me named Black and Dave. So if you see a girl come with a shiny picnic, I say I'm Black and Dave youth, I know my youth. If you see a girl come with a coolie picnic, I say I'm Black and Dave youth, I know my youth. Me no girl cloud. Just Rock from the body. Anybody from New York in the building? What the New York you said there? What I do? And that's it. Have you 10 minutes, you know? Scripture come live. Big up the people that we are enjoying themselves. If you don't come here tonight, you enjoy your blood clots, you'll get a bit of someone.
Thank you.